My name is Michael Herrero, just turned 59. Been a driver going on 39 years. I've done it all, and I love it. Grab my paperwork, go out to the truck, pre-trip it, hook up, and drive. I don't call it a lazy man's job. It's never a lazy man's job. You have a preference of longer distance, which pays more. And I told him I would like to come home every night. I've been with Burris 3 years now. Excellent benefits, excellent pay. I'm not going anywhere. Come join the Burris team.